Abusia asema bawo. Minimum say Kevin Taylor any the father of NDC as a political party. Now NDC TikTokers no. Jimmy. Sounds like a catcher say NPP be as na our Canadian Japan camp. Mahama Aman appointment. Emma no. And upon NDC for Ebuofu. There was a real way no. Oma report to John Mahama. Any NDC in Penyah Ama Kevin Taylor. Me man chiri wonu a chire wadwen ama me e wo comment section how you Penyah block media mess was say didi mo over like video na that man subscribe button snap click notification con for latest update na be chire wadwen de ama me e wo comment section mess so ba so no share from so enya bi ahwe e chana panel people ka say Lady Mary Amuakwa Buodu Mahama Aman appointment as trade attached one in France just a trade BBB in France as a lady okwa koya adwuma e wo hono and I'm catching us say, lady, you know, now young people ni at first. Anna or differ be NDC ni. Anna let us say differ koye NPP ni. Any ko 24 election no or say differ ye e be NDC ni. And or differ be a part of be differ free mono. Na you know, wa best put that party no. Wa best put that party no. Wa can adwa chire mu. E ma even crab ba o me odi ba o me atem. I say can chire na pomu nyina kan ho. All because of belonging to Kennedy or Henry Japan a camp. Odi ba o mi atem fem now. Now osa call ba oba NPP mono. O friend this member NPP mono. And because Mahama is fake. Mahama is fake. NPP is a winning party. Just say am I kwano on show live on camera or you try NDC card mu membership card or you try mu.
I'm sorry, I'm out. The membership card ni I'm no longer a member of the NDC. Enough is enough. Me and I'm joining here. Me and me send them I'm out. Enough is enough. Na me to me to ask na me nyame adwuma. Na me nyame advocate.
Now yes sir, Mahama akoma that lady appointment to some of the NDC party members who just say the matter. And no party entwa ye. Monkey the work and then the bamboo the chop. Any party omo enya adwuma emfa. Emma no pa no. Me bro first batch just na oboke come out NDC empenny. For na wi dey abusia. Okwa TikToker emaya no omo efre obo tunza freke dey say Kevin bra betie behwe di omu ya ogala
Everything for me cheche mu nyina mpam cho wan sa be kan video me pese o be forward video of Kevin Taylor mesre se forward Kevin Taylor wo hefa Kevin Taylor bra Mary Buadu na mate se yesi wanya position no me pam cho pese me kai Ghana fo bi mo am refrie e wo mo ho ntem no me pese me kai mo se mo kai Mary Buadu a ono no se okọ political party we mu na se ho anye yi a na wakọ ha Mary Buadu a odi John Mahama bitterly. Edidi Kevin Taylor bitterly because Kevin Taylor was speaking about Canadian Japan. Mary Buadu a odidi NDC degrade NDC to the bottom. Say Bawumia and say winning. Or call Bawumia side anye yamano no be sen call Canadian Japan side. And then Mary Buadu say or ye wine ewo NDC mu. Miniano ma mu tie mie. Me pese munye masopa na mutie nia Mary Buadu eka. Muntie nia Mary Buadu eka. Na muntie na munhwe se Mary Buadu wei e na ye ka se wanya position na na.
Mane sound pobidi na enya fresh when NDC for adwene mu. Woni ma do krontia. Because me baba retire John Mahama.
Osi oba be retire John Mahama. We ye Mary Buadu na okasa no amanfo. Moma ye ntie.
Me retire John Mahama next year. We will retire John Mahama. Me to use NDC as a political party.
Muntie.
I'm sorry. I'm out. The membership card.
O tete ni membership card mu.
I'm no longer a member of the NDC. Enough is enough. Me and I'm joining here. Me and me send me hoko.
Osi ono ano joining ono ade ne hoko. Mary Buadu eye opportunist. Me so ye political ono ani party members NPP for ne two ni so ye political harrot or ye political tutu okoha na nye yama na or ye greedy as hell. Yem papa John Mahama eyi oba bi edi greedy woman or siso nya 1 million A master Mary Bwedu does not belong or has a space ewo NDC be biara. Mary Bwedu should not be even part of Nkoswo a ene NDC eye no omo kunye ema genuinely omo pese NDC ekọ anim NDC na oba Ghana yeye NDC na ba odwene mabunu ho odwene Ghana ho ene obitimi stop se yemehwe Mary Bwedu is an opportunist or ye political tutu ono okoha okoba umia side na anye yama na no okọ Canada Japan ene NDC force sen ye wa ha na mo we Canada we ba umia aid ebe snecheye ewo we ba umia so ene NDC for kukuru position the man is as say you love being in a company of your enemies. Mu enemy kosisan ntade NDC for omo kosisan mo ho a no ma betena mo ntam no ma asase ni mu didi afede omo nya mo wie te se de so we yenya Samson na afede na mo kam na mo ba be beside the same people a omo be gina ho a mo mfi omo no na mo san ede adwantoa anasa mo pe campaign hwe ma me kan se bi wa ha NDC for must stand up. Enough is enough, okay? Because yet hana sami jemfi ekoma kera desika ye wa ha na yes ye frefre TikTokers omo a content creators as say this content we choose the subject when we want to create content with. So this is a content we create content. We use politics and we pick a political way party specifically and ye create content. But omo fra content creators no omo gina mu edi we NDC creative content no omo se there be ni oba be tweke ni oba be gina ho didi John Mahama tem e no mo ye content creators enne yesi yama Mary Bwedu we a onenam ha ko ha we position a wadidi yan atam ame Toronto hanom ya tumidin e mankrofo bi mu pese bi mu chirimi e wo Toronto hanom. It's not as if say you have done anything because of NDC. Because of NDC intino mo pa kire say mu ankasa with the diaspora group na muntimi en keep no way proper muntimi nsiesie mu ko say ni wi na mo say they have a problem no NDC for. I am saying this again. You have nothing for the political groups now. Omo mami we onye juma wa brochi. Ana ye magana me emesi mu kon ho kwa te se quacks te se dogs no. Ye ma me ye gbe te se nkokon maninti no. You don't think say the people who fought with you are the same people that should work with you. They are people. Some say what you ye den. Me amete Canada ha me ye den. Ah mo kwa marry sa abayo o kan ye ejimanyini sine ni bebere ba hwe nanim omo boni omo ye ntihwe omo bo amre wantem enti to me no it is unfair say nkofo bi mu eba be gina ho omo play police hwe young boys hwe Canada ha ye hia mo ama yen brother baako Canada obi odi na bra bottle ho risking life ma NPP for day abapa be jam no ma ni moto organize operation save the ballot from Toronto Hanomo by Ghana at the ex-commandos eco protective ballot Emma NPP 4 at the above Bruno yet the emergency or the bar Toronto Hanomo eco da hospital for 3 days and then in that galley we are trying to get the embassy ha obaya no belusu ni fie nso kan ho because obana pamono he me kan kire mu biomo obaya no belusu and the NDC for no they rather dine with their enemy tina bebre no we don't stick together as a group as a team inti no instead of say yebe fight yama nipa baako at the time they don't want to do that inti young brother Gali is still on the street obi o woni whole house mutimo den fucking mutimo asem way ehime number 1 because obi hiam wa minim enye say ope position say we Toronto Canada ya shada so mra but NDC for team what thing intino you rather see a stranger me say 2028 won yan kasa no mo ka kire yan ye debunk this saying NDC NPP nye the same and this thief like this harlot like political harlot like this away greedy people omo no mo say Ghana Mwako man position there. Yebeche 2028. We need to see the people we know, we recognize, we work with, get working with you people. Me say akoko bini kura na mo pesa mo pepa o Ghana. Give it to the people who fought with you, not the people who goes jump ships from here and snitch on other people and bring information to you instead of say mo ma omo bibia mo no na mo de mo omo aben mo. No American political serious institution will work with any snitch. Mon forwarded this video na nkoma omo say NDC for ni nyina ye ba ko in the diaspora way no. Na ya make sure say NDC they recognize and respect and value the NDC diaspora group no, because this is getting ridiculous. Enough is enough. Someone say intimisremu. Me sure say John Mahama or depending on the people he has elected and he has brought close to him to work with to do the right thing, they will not give Marie any position. May God bless you.
And for my Roma, for my show. Video, yeah, Mushe. Mon time as once, you can't say. Now, Muntie and Sama Salad, we.
I don't know how to phrase this.
Muntie and Sama Salad,
for me,
can
the
you
NPP is
a
a winning team. For me, the NPP is a winning team.
Really?
NDC still needs a lot of reorganization. NDC still has a lot of weight to pull. Ansana womaba ubomidi mane sam bomidi na enya fresh when NDC for adwene mu woni ma no san because me baba retire John Mahama me retire John Mahama next year. We will retire John Mahama. Now we get a konkon John Mahama so kon a yen kasa e
dey na konkon no kon
me bisa wo second day Japan His Excellency ekase obuye na no e wo John Mahama ho a can Ghana contain John Mahama? Can Ghana contain John Mahama? Mongo is a Lordina Mahama, Mrs. Lordina. Kennedy Japan is not a fake.
That one is fake.
John Mahama will be fake.
What you want to?
Or two on John Mahama, or two or your book. Or to be good of a book on Marbonting. Or to be good of a book on Sana no make a chemo. Or two on what your book, or should Ghana for the book to be mad. Muko bisa John Mahama so on true book and a memoir. How one memoir da ho on to me famba because wo mushuro. Mu bisa Julius Debra sa se mi amike meboa. John Mahama wo book da ho. NDC as a political party. I'm sorry, I'm out.
I'm out.
The membership card ni.
I'm
no longer a member of the NDC. Enough is enough. Me I'm joining me am send me hunko.
The whole NDC as a political party, not such an ingrate, such person, I degrade a say to the extent. So what this is I try your membership card the moon. More than yemfa upon all disgrace or whatever His Excellency John Mahama. Any disgrace or whatever NDC. Anton Chayokrana was signing the card. I diseases. I to try a membership card mu not such idiot way. Most of my money position as a trade and tourism, head of trade and tourism, our France. No way. No way would this happen. I need you mother. Modie, mon koso na mama no ko France ho. They be see. Adai. Get away onto your dues. Onya memma watch it chem ena mahunu. Nipa san wa NDC mu ana. Mo ye way is so much shameful, disrespectful to NDC for a diaspora, especially NDC UK and Ireland. Mo ba sa mo chese mo nya nipa bia ewom emfa no ko France ho ana anasa France ho ana nkasa no ye wo NDC members wo ho a wo kuo wo tua wo dues e contribute to the party. Mo ba sa mo chese France wo nya wo bia na mo ba ma wo bia position kra enye this lunatic enye gay way Enya Maria Boaka Boadu. And it's here in Saka. So or train a diplomatic passport. No move out of France. Enya Juma ne. And this is page 4 day. A day. And no, and I'm not Tibi, man who be our Masumuno. Marie Abuakwa can never 2024. Yemu been ye jam pinti ye campaign. No, not this girl and I'm social media. Disgrace His Excellency John Mahama. Any NDC party. Ya fight ya. Namu be Marie position way. Enye juma. NDC for Penyah for. Mo working up. Let's go hear me the fair game. Bye. Now me come say open cement papa. And one attachment. And then the wood jasso. Uncle Pebinto. Cha.
Chida wadwe mame ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media. Agra.